Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Maths. In this video, we have another problem to solve, and that is m cubed minus 5 plus square root of 5 times m plus 5 is equal to 0. Find m. Now here's the solution. First is, let's write down the original equation. M cubed minus 5 plus square root of 5 times m plus 5 is equal to 0. Next is, we are going to arrange this, and that is m cubed minus, let's put m here, so minus m, times 5 plus square root of 5 plus 5 equals 0. And now we can multiply negative m inside. So this is now m cubed, negative m times 5, that's negative 5m, or that is minus 5m. Negative m times positive square root of 5, that's negative square root of 5m. Then copy plus 5 equals 0. Now we compare this. So this is the first pair. This is the second pair. Each pair, we can factor this in terms of common. So for the first pair, the common is m. So let's write m. M times m cubed divided by m, that's m squared. Negative 5m divided by m, that's negative 5. Then minus, for this pair, the common is square root of 5. So square root of 5 times, here square root of 5m divided by square root of 5. We can cancel this and we're left with m. And then 5 divided by square root of 5, that's equal to, for the numerator 5, we can write it as square root of 5 times square root of 5 all over square root of 5. Why? Because if we multiply square root of 5 times square root of 5, that's square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So we just split into this. So now we can cancel. And we're left with square root of 5. Therefore, this is square root of 5. And the sign would be minus, since it's had. Negative times negative, it's positive or plus. It equals 0. Now for this, for 5, we can write it as square root of 5 squared. So this is now m times m squared minus square root of 5 squared minus, this copy, square root of 5 times m minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. Now, if you observe this part, this is an identity, a squared minus b squared, which is also equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now, for this, we can write it as m times m minus square root of 5 times m plus square root of 5, and copy, minus square root of 5 times m minus square root of 5 equals 0. Now, if you observe, we have the common m minus square root of 5. So we can take it out. M minus square root of 5. Then factor, let's multiply. M times m minus square root of 5 times m plus square root of 5 divided by m minus square root of 5. This will be cancelled. Cancelled. So we're left with m and this. So that is m times m plus square root of 5. Next is this part, square root of 5 times m minus square root of 5 divided by m minus square root of 5. This is cancelled. We're left with square root of 5. So that's minus square root of 5 equals 0. Now for this, we can multiply m times m. then n times square root of 5. So this is now m minus square root of 5 times m, that's m squared. M times square root of 5, that's plus square root of 5 m. And copy minus square root of 5 equals 0. Now we can equate this into 0. First is m minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. Other one is m squared plus square root of 5 m minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. For this, we can take square root of 5 to the other side. So the sign is negative. So that is m is equal to positive square root of 5. And this is the value for m. M is equal to square root of 5. We have another equation. This is a quadratic equation. To know the values of m, we are going to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is m is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac whole over 2a. Now, before we use this quadratic formula, it's important to know the values of a, b, and c. For a, we have 1. For b, we have square root of 5. For c, we have negative square root of 5. So this is m is equal to negative square root of 5, positive negative square root of square root of 5 squared minus 4 times a, that's 1, times c, that's negative square root of 5, all over 2 times a, that's 1. So this just now, m is equal to negative square root of 5, positive negative square root of. There we can cancel the squared and the radican. So the remaining is 5. And then negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4. Then here, negative 4 times 1, that's negative 4. And then negative 4 times negative square root of 5, that's positive or plus 4 square root of 5. All over 2 times 1 is 2. Now for this, we can have two values. First is m is equal to negative square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5 all over 2. The other one is m is equal to negative square root of 5 minus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5 all over 2. So overall, we have three values of m. The first one is m is equal to square root of 5. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.